Hi, this is Basic Chemistry. Welcome to new topic sulfonium halide and sulfur chemistry. It is very important for CSIR, NET, GATE and IIT JAM. In this type of reaction, we know at presence of that type of ketone under Wittig reaction, 1 carbon Wittig, it gives this type of product, this type of olefin, followed by per acid charge, that give this type of epoxide. Is there any procedure to make directly a epoxide from ketone or from aldehyde? This type of single procedure, single step epoxidation from ketone or aldehyde is very important. So sulfonium ion halide is generally like this. As it is a halide, so it is a charge, or you can say ionic. So it is a halide structure due to presence of sulfur. It is a sulfonium halide. So what is the reaction mechanism for this kind of reaction? At presence of ketone, this negative charge attack over the carbonyl center and give this type of intermediate, followed by this negative charge attack this carbon and kick out the dimethyl sulfide and give this type of epoxide, right? How we will synthesize this kind of halide? At presence of this type of sulfonium salt, and if we project it on a base, then this hydrogen will pick up one hydrogen from any of the methyl and generates this type of sulfonium halide. There is a two type of halide. One is stable halide. You can see this negative charge is stabilized due to presence of this type of cyanide attached to this carbon. But this type of halide is not stabilized, so they behave differently at presence of this type of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So how it will behaves at presence of stable halide? So if we see the mechanism, then this stable halide first attacks the carbonyl center and give this type of intermediate. Right, but as the halide itself is stabilized, therefore this reaction is in equilibrium. This is a reversible reaction. So it can also, as it is a reversible reaction, after attacking to the carbonyl center, it can back in this way also, right? And this step is so fast because the carbonyl center is more electrophilic than the 4 position, as this type of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is regioselective. Therefore the carbonyl center is more reactive and more faster. But in this case, when the halide is stable, then there is a reversible reaction. But when this halide attacks to the 4 position, then it gives this type of product which is irreversible in nature and very slow in reaction, like this. As this is not a reversible process, therefore there will be no back in the previous molecule. After that step, this reaction will go like this and kick out the dimethyl sulfide and gives this type of product. If you consider a reaction where one step is reversible and it getting back towards the previous molecule, and after this attacking to the 4 position which is irreversible, so that will be the major product. And moreover, this is thermodynamically also favorable because the carbonyl group remain intact, because the bond energy of C double bond C is less than C double bond O. Therefore, this is a thermodynamically controlled product. At presence of unstabilized sulfonium ylide, which is like this, it generally react the similar way to the carbonyl center as the previous mechanism, but this reaction is not reversible because the ylide itself is not stabilized. Therefore, this is the first irreversible process. Therefore, the single product will be the epoxide following this type of mechanism as we seen before. This will be epoxide. But addition to the 4 center for that ylide is very slow. Okay, therefore, because in previous case this step also was slow, but in this case this step also slow. The addition in the 4 position is very slow, but the addition at the 1 position, the carbonyl center, is very fast. Therefore, that will be the major product. The major product will be the epoxide, right? So there is 2 product. One is like this and another is the epoxide, and you have to remember that one is thermodynamically controlled and another is kinetically controlled. Okay, so this was the basic fundamental concept. Now if we talk about the sulfoxynium ylide, so this is a sulfoxynium ylide where this ylide also stable ylide, because this negative charge over there is stable through resonance with this double bond O. Therefore, this also give the same kind of product as the stabilized ylide gives. Okay, so it also gives the thermodynamically stable product. So the product look like, okay, but at presence of this type of ylide, as we have previously told, that will give, this is a gate question, and this type of question is very important, are frequently coming in every MSc and BSc entrance examination. So please follow and follow the concept and learn properly from the basic and fundamentally. Now at presence of DMSO, which is easily available, in presence of methyl iodide, these lone pair attacks over there and that give this type of product. At presence of strong base, this give this type of ylide. So in question paper, directly this form can be there, or indirectly DMSO methyl iodide at presence of sodium hydride and the olefin or alpha beta unsaturated substrate also can be given there. So thanks for watching. For more tutorial, please subscribe my channel Basic Chemistry, and for any kind of doubt you can mail me on basicchemistryhelpline@gmail.com.